new video which is named as new users and permissions inside Go High Level. Yes, this topic is the most important one regarding the permissions. For example, that you are a team that is working on a Go High level, and like maybe there are a team of 4 to 5 members, but each have his own responsibilities and each has its own features inside the Go High level. So you can control those roles and responsibilities for each member, because many of those don't have access to the invoices, many of those has don't access to the secret information of the communities or of the, you can say, the courses, but there is some admin in the company that who has all the access. So you can manage those accessibilities and responsibilities inside the folder name as name, users and permissions at Go High level. Okay, let's move to the GHL screen and let's see how it look like and how we can set it up. Okay guys, now we are inside Go High level and let's go to the user roles and responsibilities, but it's hidden. Okay, let's move towards the settings here on the left hand side, and there is named as folder my staff. I will open this my staff, and after that what will happen is that you can see that there's a screen showing all the members of this account and their roles, means user type, named as account admin, named as agency admin, and one of them is simply named as user. Okay, so what happens is that if I open my roles and permissions regarding this account, so you can see my info, Abu Bakr and things like that, and then roles and permissions. So inside roles and permissions, you can see that there are multiple options given here, like AI agents, audits, accounts, and a lot of things. So what if I remove the permission of AI agents, and let's see what will happen. And let's click on save here. Okay, let's click on save, and now let's see that whether we got the permission. Oh, okay, let me go here and let's see that whether AI agents. Let me also refresh the screen as well to see whether these things are working here or not. Okay, it's loading, but now if I refresh this and if I go to my account, okay, let's wait for the loading. And now it's time to go into the AI agents. Oh my god, the net is too slow. Okay, please go back. What happened to my internet? Okay, finally. Okay, when I go to AI agents, it is blank, means I can't access. Okay, it's got uploaded. but why? Agents list, Jessica. Okay, it is permitting me to go inside it, but why? Let us go back to the my stuff and let's recheck the permissions. It's Abu Bakr here, roles and permissions. Oh, it's still enabled. Let me turn it off again and let me save it. Error was saying you are not to try to update your own permissions. Okay, means, do you know what it's saying? It is actually saying that I am not an agency owner, so I am unable to change my own permissions, but as an agency owner I can change the permissions. The system is same and the procedure will be same. So what basically happens is that we need to control our whole business. You can say the controls of our whole business inside the go high level. So we update these permissions for each user, so everyone has to remain in his own area and work in his own area. For example, that admin has to access to the invoices, but some member of the team can't access those invoices. So we can set those permissions by these settings as I showed you before. So that's all for today, and let's meet in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.